I was watching these two videos about how to promote ClickBank on Google Ads and make a lot of money, and they completely ruined it when they said this. Watch.
The smartest way to promote your ClickBank products and frankly any affiliate products on
Make
Google
that ClickBank money on Google.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $350 per day or more on ClickBank using Google
how to
Ads
get
as a
that
complete
money.
beginner.
And then this happened. For real?
The first thing we have to do to promote on Google is create a landing page. That's the first thing. We can't promote on Google without it.
So the way how we're going to do it is link them to a landing page. It's pretty much.
Did you just tell them to make a bridge page? Dude, they gonna get banned. What in the world? Oh my goodness.
So what I like to do, my rule of thumb,
am I in a Twilight Zone right now?
Landing pages consistent with the actual sales page.
They not gonna laugh. If you want to promote your ClickBank product on Google Ads, then you absolutely must understand these two policies: the bridge page policy and the mirror page policy. These two policies were almost directly made for companies like ClickBank, who has affiliates that copy the parent company's site and paste it on a website to run on Google Ads. If you don't know these policies and you try to run on Google Ads, I guarantee you are going to get banned. It's not an if, it's a win. Why? Because following the advice of just mimicking the parent page or just creating a single landing page and then bridging over to the parent company site is in direct violation of Google Ads policy. Let me show you. What we need to do is examine their originality policy. Within this policy houses the bridge page and the mirror page policy. Let's break it down. It says you must first feature original content. Let's stop right there first. Original content. If you're going to be scraping content off the parent company site or scraping it from another affiliate and putting it on your landing page, you're out of the game right there. You're already in violation of Google's policies, and your ClickBank Google Ads account is already at risk for getting banned. Look at this. It quite literally reads, this guideline is particularly applicable to resellers whose site is identical, or highly similar to another reseller's or the parent company website into affiliate that use the following types of pages. So right there, the advice on taking the parent company site, trying to copy it, trying to make it look similar to what's already being offered, it's already putting you in a bad situation with Google. At some point, the Google bot is going to scan your content and compare it to the parent company's website and see that it's going to be highly similar, and they're going to strike down your content or your video. Now within this policy, the two specific ones that I want you to pay very close attention to that are going to have the biggest impact on ClickBank affiliate marketers on Google are these next two. I want you to pay attention to this section on bridge pages, because we hear a lot about creating a bridge page that on your website between you and the parent company's website. These are not allowed. And it says pages that act as a intermediary. Where did I hear that?
It's pretty much a bridge page. It's pretty much a bridge page in between, you know, the traffic sources of social media to the affiliate link. So it'll be right in the middle.
Acts as an intermediary whose sole purpose, and believe me, they're telling you to do this as the sole purpose, is to link or redirect traffic to the parent company website. Now let's be honest, I understand as an affiliate, they're trying to tell you the reason it's so easy and the reason you can make so much money is because it requires little effort and you could just copy and paste or carbon copy what the parent company site is doing, throw it up on Google Ads, and voila, the money will start rolling in. But that just isn't going to fly on Google. The reason for it is they don't want spam on their network. Why is it spam? Well, if you have a bunch of advertisers promoting the same product and they all have the very same landing page, same headline, same offers or similar, and they simply just create a page and ship them over to the parent company website, how does that offer any additional value to the users? Bottom line, if that keeps up, people are going to leave leave YouTube. They're gonna leave Google and they're gonna go over to Bing, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Amazon, and they're just going to look for a better experience. It is absolutely the opposite of what Google wants to have on their network. They want to be considered the most unique, the most value-oriented place to get information, products, or services on the internet, period. And you can't do that if affiliates are just spamming the entire network with the same stuff, same landing page, same images, same. No one's unique, no one's different, and they're creating these skinny one-page websites and shipping them over to the parent company site. Do you see the problem? I will also say this though, for your own benefit as a ClickBank advertiser, do you want to keep trying to hustle to make money? At some point, you're going to want people loyal to you that are going to pay you every month with different things rather than having to go out there and sling that product every single day to make money. So there's actually an advantage to you to not creating these one-page skinny sites that look like everything else and bridging them over. There's value in actually making people loyal to you, and that's where the big money is actually made. Next is mirror pages, and this is all about replicating the same look and feel as a parent company site, or your site mirroring someone's or being identical to other advertisers' site. This one's pretty straightforward, and I gotta be honest, every ClickBank advertiser is taught to do this. The reason why they're taught to do this is because they're told there's already a formula that works. The landing page works, the video works, don't change anything. They've tested it through the wazoo. Any little alterations could change your conversion rate. Now, although this may be true, the reality is it's not a long-term solution for you. If you follow that advice, you're not gonna be able to stay on Google Ads. And Google Ads is the #1 traffic source in the entire world to generate sales from. And I would not wanna be prohibited from generating business from the #1 place people go to look up information before they buy product. 94% of all searches that are done in the world are done on Google search. Not Amazon, not Facebook, not Bing, not Twitter, not any other place. But Google holds 94% of people on their phones looking, and they hold over 70% of people's searches on all devices, whether they're on a laptop or on some computer or tablet. With numbers like that, you absolutely need to transform and not listen to this bad advice on how to advertise on Google Ads. But the most important part is up next. This section here, your website must give users a valid and unique reason to go to your website to purchase the affiliate product rather than going to the parent company site to purchase. What that means is this: you must provide such an awesome website and experience and an offer that is so much better than the parent company site that people that are looking for that product or service would rather go to you to buy the product and website than to go to the parent company site to buy the product or service. Now that may seem like a high bar, but it's a bar that actually will serve you well, because this will give you the opportunity to start creating your own audience that you can resell to, that you can sell multiple ClickBank products to, and they actually will buy because they like you instead of having to rely on the parent company website. Now that doesn't mean they can never go to the ClickBank website and visit, but here's the deal: since you're providing the opportunity, all you really need ClickBank for is to check out. People go to your site, they dig in what you're doing, now they're ready to buy. Well, how do they buy? This is great because ClickBank actually is a merchant. They are a bank. I know they're not known as a bank, but that really is what they are. They are a merchant for you. So the reality is, all you need to do is, once you've sold them on your site, you send them to the checkout page of your product or service. And then after that, you can let ClickBank do all of the things necessary to be able to make you money through checkout and upsells and downsells, all those different things that you are not able to control anyway. Google loves it. In fact, this is very similar to what other affiliates do on this network. I don't know if you knew this, but almost 50% of the advertisers on Google Ads are affiliates, and they do it this way. They don't do the bridge page or mirror page thing. That is something that seems to be exclusive to affiliate advertisers that come from places like ClickBank. For whatever reason, these gurus are telling you guys to do things that are guaranteed to get you banned. And I bet you this: if you talk to those gurus about this strategy, I bet you'll hear all the accounts they had to open up that got banned, ban. Some of these people have account farms where they go overseas and they have foreign people open hundreds of accounts for them because they just keep getting banned. And they're like, well, I mean, I just want to make money, so I'll just keep violating these policies and open up these accounts and keep getting banned. I will tell you, the music stops eventually on that. You will get exhausted trying to keep up with that. Why not just do it right the first time? So let's talk about how to do that. I'm going to show you how to simply do an experience that can help your ClickBank account be Google Ads compliant and be able to advertise on Google without problem. Let's go to the board. So the winning ClickBank Google Ads promotion formula is to add a couple of elements here. Beginning with the idea that your value is greater than the parent company site. You must start with that very basic thought process. So the way you do this is you create a website that has multiple things in it that provides value. I'm talking great value. Think of it as this site, you build a following. And if you think of it as building a following, then it lets you know the type of value you need to provide to people. It isn't just slapping up a bunch of articles. It's actually providing something of value. There's going to be multiple pages on this site because you need to have a certain level of transparency about your business. A lot of ClickBank affiliates hide this aspect. They want to put all the onus on ClickBank to be the front of the business and not themselves in their own personal business. The one thing you need to understand about Google AdWords is that Google AdWords is a place for businesses to promote product and services, not people to promote products and services. This is not what Google Ads is for. In fact, they don't allow it. So for that reason, you need to have some business transparency here that goes beyond ClickBank. The next step is you need to have an offer that's greater than what they get on the parent site. Something bigger, something grander, something way more awesome. Now this offer really needs to pull people in. A great way to do it is to offer additional things to come with it. Not just the product or not just the service, but stack some things on there. Product stacking, value stacking, if you will, where they're getting a lot of different things, which makes it a no-brainer for people to come to you and refer other people to your website to come and make the purchase from instead of the parent company site. To make it clear, you're allowed to sell just one product. You don't have to sell something that creates repeat customers. It is actually okay to have a one hit and run. However, you can offer more value within that one hit that makes them think of you as the authority on the product or an authority in this space, something that gets people buzzing and talking about. If they want value, you're the site to go to. Now, once you created this value proposition and this awesome website, you have transparency, then when individuals are ready to buy, I want to buy, then send them back to ClickBank and the parent company site. However, only send them to the checkout. This is an important step for a ClickBank advertiser to understand. ClickBank is a merchant. ClickBank is a bank merchant. This is how they were designed to work. This also will keep you out of trouble. With this setup, now you understand the level of value this website should be providing, because they're not going to get it from the ClickBank site or the parent company site. They're going to get it from you. Now you can see just how different the advice of the ClickBank gurus are giving you. There's a vast ocean between what they're telling you to do to make money quickly and easily and what Google Ads will accept on their network. Over 95% of ClickBank affiliates follow that bad advice and end up getting their Google Ads ClickBank account banned. And then they find it very difficult to get it overturned because they don't really know how to fix it. If that happened to you, ouch, I am so sorry. Now you can get that overturned. If you are suspended and you want to know how to get that overturned, watch this video here. In that video, I break down the steps to get an AdWords account unsuspended. I know this is new information for a lot of you, but let's be honest. If you really think about it, it makes all the sense in the world. But in this world of marketing, we get caught up in just copying whatever the gurus say without actually thinking about it, because we all want to be successful. I did it myself. I had my first affiliate account suspended for doing the same thing. I just wanted to carbon copy what the leaders were doing that were making all the money on Google Ads. So I turned my brain off and just copied exactly what they told me to do, not thinking through the consequences. But now I know better, and I teach others how to do it properly too, so they don't have to go through the same mess that I went through. It's important you lock down as much information on affiliate marketing and bridge page policies on Google Ads before you create your next Google Ads account or before you decide to put your website in there. To learn more how to do that, watch these two videos here, and it's going to put you on track to make make sure you can promote ClickBank on Google Ads without getting banned.